भारत के शिल्पकार है।
Pope Francis, unoyalam niam ubadeiru Latin American. Ubaningkong jo kaniam Roman Catholic ulaklat no nekasi ka erta ka prapu prasnem. Katkum ka jingtip na Vatican City, u Cardinal Kevin Farrell lasami gini ka kubor na kabaong, ba upop ulalit siya ying ublay ka por hinyo laipusan minute min step. Kajing klat no kajing u kaday na kajing pang pneumonia ka blajur pa hadin ka sngi ublay ba ulami kamat hakipat ba a St. Peter's Square ka ba ula ay kublay kipat ba but ay kajing kirku paska bakir pangiki. Upo Francis ubalayo I kum unong wanra ajing kala but ubala kner kitish kibadok kibarangli. Ula I siya ni kapateng jong kajing sngorit kajing ay jing syakri. Ukamari lenggo but langot kinongerap balajit do Cardinal kin rai lanun rai kasenduk ke jong upop sa St. Peter's Basilica na kabantaban pinipat ba. Myntri Rangbah do kari Narendra Modi Myntri Rangbah ke Jylla Conrad K Sangma I Dr. M Amprin Lingdo but iba AL Hek kila Pynpaw ke Jingsngewlem ke jong ki halor ke jing klat no ke jong upop Francis.
So I am deeply saddened by the demise of His Holiness Pope Francis, the heads of the Roman Catholic Church. The Pope Francis, he led an example, be a good human being, humility, and he prayed to everybody. So his sudden demise is a great shock and a loss, not only to the people of our church, but the whole world.
It is with deep sense of sadness and a profound feeling of great loss that today the Vatican has officially announced the passing away of His Holiness Pope Francis. We all mourn the passing away of such a good soul. Pope Francis was known for his honest interpretation of archaic law.